Here I have WIKO Harry, and today I'm going to show you how to enter meta mode on this device. So first of all, you have to turn it off by holding power key. And after it turns off completely, what you have to do is to proceed to the factory mode by holding down power key and volume down for a few seconds like this. After the screen turns on, you can release power key and keep holding volume down. Here at the factory mode, you should use volume down key to navigate to the last option, MetaBoot, and then select it with recent key here. And after that you will enter meta mode. Small letters here says meta mode, which is the proof for that we are in the meta mode now. If you want to exit meta mode, just hold down power key for about 5 to 10 seconds. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.